Now we are going to tell an important topic. Without this, the korvai or the muktayam which you play in your solos and which the main artist will sing in their muktayam swaram, which will not fulfill without this Pancha Jathis. Those are Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. These are Pancha Jathis, which are usually called Kanda, Thisra, Misra, Chathurasra and Sankeerna. This Kanda is 5, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 which is 5. This is Kanda Jathi. And next is Thisra Jathi is 6. Like this 6, 12 and this like doubling. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. This is Thisra Jathi. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom we should call. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which we use in all our korvais. And next is Misra Jathi. Misra is 7, 14, 28 like that. Mishram is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha is 2, Di is 2 and Ki-Na-Thom. So total is 7. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Kidatakata, Tarigadam, Tha-Tha-Kitta, Tarigadam, Tha. This is 7. And next is Chathurasra Jathi. Chathurasra usually resembles 4, 8, 16, 32 like that. So like that in Chathurasra, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha is 1, Di is 2, Gi is 2, Na is 2 and Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. And also we can make a variety in Chathurasra like 3 plus 5 is also 8. Like that. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is also the same. And Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is also the same. Only the difference is the sound we are producing, that is only different. And next is Sankeerna Jathi. Sankeerna means usually it's a complex. Sankeerna is 9, 18 like that. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. So Tha is 2, Di is 2 and Gi is 2, Na is 2 and Thom is 1. So 5 plus 4. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is 9. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thom, Kidatakatarigadam, Tha-Thom, Kidatakatarigadam, Kidatakatarigadam, Tha. These are all the combinations and other varieties of Sankeerna. So while doing korvais, we need to include all these items, at least 1 or 2 jatis in our korvai, and it will sound beautifully and mathematically it should be nice if we include this Pancha Jathis. It depends on everyone's creativity. So how to play this Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom individually for a talam, I will show like this. For example, we can just demonstrate for Adi talam. So we need to play 3 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. 3 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom or 3 Kandam is 15. 5, 5, 5. 3 Kandams, which is 15. So for Adi talam, we are going to sing like this. Taka dimmi, taka jono, taka dimmi, taka jono, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha. So the total aksharam for Adi talam is 32. In 32, we are going to fix 3 Kandam, which is 15. So how to play 315 is we need to take from half avartanam. In half avartanam, you need to give one pause which fills 1 plus 15 like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. That means you need to leave 17 aksharams and then you can fill Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom in Aditalam. Like that. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha. You are giving one matre carvai, or you can call it as pause like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno. There is one pause. After that only you need to play Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Like this. And we can tell in the complex syllable. This Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is a plain note. This is 5. And we can make double like Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom. This is the double of Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. We are playing 10 letters. Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, which is a complex syllable. We are playing in male column or in the higher speed, which equals the Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom in the Madhyama column. Like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, 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 Tha. Which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha. Both are same. But we are including the complex syllable. So now we can tell this Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom 3 times. Like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Kidataka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, 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 Tha. Like this. And the next Jati is Thisram. So if we need to play 3 Thisram for Aditalam, 3 Thisram means 3 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which is 18. 6, 6 and 6. So for playing 3 Thisram, which is 18, so we need to calculate out of 32, we need to fill this 18. So we can tell like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha. From the 4th beat, while after giving 2 carveys, we are taking Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, means 4, 4, 4 and 2. After leaving 14 letters, we are going to fill 3 Thisra Jathi or 3 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Taka-Dimi, Taka-Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha. And the other complex syllables for Thisram is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is the same as you know, and Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 and Taka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Ki-Da-Thom, Taka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Ki-Da-Thom, Taka-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Ki-Da-Thom, Tha, which is will play in advanced classes like that. So the next is Misra Jathi, Mishram, like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 which is 3 sevens, means 21. So if we need to play 3 Mishram for Aditalam, so we need to calculate like this. Aditalam, Madhyama Kalam, it has 32 aksharas, which we need to subtract this 3 Mishrams, which is 21. So the product is 11. So we need to start after the 11 aksharam from Aditalam, like this. 1, 2, 3. In this third finger or third aksharam, we need to take in the 4th letter, then only the Mishram will start like this. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha. So the other varieties of Mishram is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, 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 Tha-Thi-Ki-Ta-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Ta-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Ki-Da-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, 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 Tha, like this. We can improvise on our own. So I will show how to play this Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom once again. Taka-Dimi, Taka-Jonno, Tha-Thi-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Tha-Thi-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Ta-Tari-Ki-Da-Thom, Tha. So this is for Mishram. The next is Chathurasra Jathi, which is 8. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, or we can take Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. both are same as 8. And to play 3 Chathurasram, which is 24, 3 8s 24, we need to give 8 aksharam gap, and then we need to proceed for 3 Chathurasram like this. Taka dimi taka jonu tadingina tom tadingina tom tadingina tom. We need to play from third aksharam like this. 1 2 tadingina tom tadingina tom tatom tadigina tom ta. And the other varieties for Chathurasram is tadom tadigina tom tatom kidaka tarigadam tatom kidaka tarigadam tatom kidaka tarigadam tarigadam kidaka tarigadam tarigadam kidaka tarigadam tarigadam kidaka tarigadam ta. The next jati is Sankeerna Jathi after Chathurasram. Sankeerna Jathi, which I have already told, is tatom tadigina-thom or tadigina-thom. So if you need to play 3 Sankeernam for an Aditalam, which is 3 9s 27, 327, you need to give gap of 5 aksharams for Aditalam like this. Taka takita tat de gina tum tat de gina tum tat de gina tum ta. But we need not to show what we are going to give as a gap. Tat de gina tum tat de gina tum tat de gina tum ta. If we show what we are giving as a gap, it will be odd. We need to give a pause like this. Tam tam tat de gina tum tat de gina tum tat de gina tum ta. The other varieties for tat de gina tum is tat tom kidataka tarigadam tat tom kidataka tarigadam tat tom kidataka tarigadam kidataka ta kidataka tarigadam kidataka ta kidataka tarigadam kidataka ta kidataka tarigadam ta. Like tarigadam taddi tarigadam tarigadam taka tarigadam gidadam tarigadam taka tarigadam gidadam ta. These are all other combinations. And if you think mathematically, you can do lot of improvisations. For example, if we need to play 3 mishrams, which is 21, we can also play the combination of 5, 7 and 9. 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is 21. Both as mishram, 7, 7, 7. So we can tell like this also. Taka demi taka jonnu tang ta de tarigadam ta de tarigadam ta de tarigadam ta. This is also the same, and I am using now 5, 7 and 9 combination. Taka demi taka jonnu takita ta de girnaton ta de girnaton ta tom ta de girnaton ta, which it was considered with Kanda Jathi, Misra Jathi and Sankeerna Jathi. 5, 7, 9. Like that you can improvise with any number of combinations. And while coming for Sankeernam or Chathurasra Jathi, which is tatom tadigina-thom, you can also play like this. 7, 8 and 9, which makes the same Chathurasram as 24, like this. Taka demi taka jonnu tadigina-thom tatom tadigina-thom tatom tadigina-thom ta. These are all the improvements or manodharma aspects which you can get the help of mathematics. And even you can play 10 or the other variety of kandam. It's ta tom tadigina-thom or takita tam tadigina-thom. This is also a kandam, the extension of kandam. If you need to play this kandam or 10 aksharams for Aditalam, which is 30. So the total aksharam for Aditalam is 32. So you need to take after leaving 2 aksharams gap like this. Ta tom kidataka tarigadam ta tom kidataka tarigadam ta tom kidataka tarigadam ta, like this. Ta tom tadigina-thom ta tom tadigina-thom ta tom tadigina-thom ta, or takita tam tadigina-thom takita tam kidataka tarigadam takita tam tatita kidatam ta, like this. So now I will show how to play this all 5 jatis with my instrument. So how to play this Pancha Jathis? First we will start from Kanda Jathi, which is tadigina-thom. Like we need to play like this. Ta, di, gi, na and thom. This is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. We need to tap like this. Tha. We are playing D. This is as Tha, and this is D, and this is Gi, and this is Na, and Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. So we also need to practice in the various speeds. So, and the other improvisations for this Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom or Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which is actually play. This is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. This is the other variety of Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom or Kanda Jathi. And also one more is Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, which many players play in large numbers. Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom like this. For Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, we should start from our left hand like this. Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, like this. Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom. Like this. And the next is Thisra Jathi, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. We need to play like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. We need to give a pause or gap for D, because it's Tha, Di and one carve and Ki-Na-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. This is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. I will show in other speeds. Similarly, like Kanda Jathi, we can play Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom also like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. After playing Tha-Thi, instead of Ki-Na-Thom, you need to add Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which you are playing Kita-Kita-Thom in the end like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. So you need to practice in the higher speeds. And next is Mishram or Misra Jathi, which is 7. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Here Tha is 2, Di is 2, and Ki-Na-Thom is 3. 4 plus 3. The same fingering for all Jathis. Only the thing is, you need to concentrate on giving pauses or carves while playing the other Jathis like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. In higher speed, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. The same fingering as we played in Kandam, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. The other varieties of Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is like Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, and Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, and Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. I will show Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Tha, Di, and similarly like Kandam and Tishram, the last Ki-Na-Thom will be Kita-Kita-Thom or Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, 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 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Next speed, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Di Tarigadum, Ta Di Tarigadum. Next is the other variety or extension of Mishram. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. This is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. In the next beats, I will show. Like this. And the next is Chathurasra Jathi, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Here you need to give gaps or carveys for Di, Gi and Na. The fingering is same as Kandam. The giving carveys is different, like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta is 1, Di is 2, Gi is also 2 and Nam is also 2. Thom is 1. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Like this. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. 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 The other speeds. And the other variety is Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which is a common variety and which will be easy even in playing higher speeds. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. For Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, you need to play with Din and Ta, like this. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which Tha-Thom is 3, Ta-Thom and Thom is 2. In the same Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Kandam. Tha-Thom, you need to add Thom along with Din. Then only it sounds beautiful. So now I will show the improvisation of Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. This Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom we are going to play. Tha-Thom is 3 and Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom as usual Kandam, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. For Tha-Thom we need to use Din and Thom along with Ta, like this. Tha-Thom. For Thom you need to add Din and Thom together, like this. This is Tha-Thom. And the same Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, like this. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. The next beats. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, like this. And the other speeds are and also similarly what we added Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom for Kandam, Kanda Jathi, we can play the same thing for Tha-Thom, Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, like this. Tha-Thom is as usual and Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom. This is Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom. And if we add for Tha-Thom, Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, it will be like this. Like this. So the next is Sankeerna Jathi 9, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. All are 2 except Thom. Ta-Ga, Di-Gi, Gi-Gi, Na-Ga, Thom, which is Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. The fingerings are as usual for Kandam. The same fingering we need to play. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. The higher speeds. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. And also the advanced Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom or the various combination is Tha-Thom, Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom. Like what we play Tha-Thom, Kita-Taka-Tari-Kita-Thom, we are adding one carvey for Ta, like this. Tha-Thom instead of Tha-Thom. Tha-Thom is 3, Tha-Thom is 4. So Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom is 5, means 4 plus 5. Tha-Thom, Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. the same fingering what we played in Tathom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Now I will show Ta, Carve, and Thom. Tat-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Like this. Tat-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Thom. Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Thom. I will show in the different speeds. These are the higher speeds. Like that, we can also play Tat-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. What all the varieties we are playing for Kanda Jathi, we can play for this Sankeerna Jathi if we play 4 and 5 combinations like Tat-Thom Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom 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 like that. I will show Tat-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. This is Tat-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. Like it will come. And one more is Ta-Ta-Ta Kidatakatarikidadom. Ta-Ta-Ta Kidatakatarikidadom, which is a traditional syllable. Ta-Ta-Ta, we are giving 3 plus 1. Ta-Ta-Ta-Ha. One carve in the last Ta. Like this. Ta-Ta-Ta Ta-Thi-Ta-Ki-Na-Thom. Like this. And the next variety is Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom. Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom. I will show. Kidatakata Kidatakatarikidadom. Like this. Now I will show the extension of Kandam or Kanda Jathi. So 10 aksharam. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Which is Ta-Ku-Thom is 5. Ta-Ku is 3. Ta-Ga-Ga-Thom, which we need to tell exactly. It's Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ku-Thom or 1 2 3 2 Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. 1 2 3 2. This talk is 3. I will show how to play. The fingering is as usual, which we played in Tathom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom and Kandam Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. So Ta-Ku-Thom, we need to give 3 carves or pauses. Ta-Ku-Thom. For Thom, as usual, we need to play Thom and Din together. Din is this. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ku-Thom. And what all the varieties we did for Kandam, like Kidatakatarikidadom, Tha-Thi-Ta-Ki-Na-Thom, that all we can adopt for Ta-Ku-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. Ta-Ku-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom for this. This is Ta-Ku-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. And also Ta-Ki-Na-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom, which you can play easily. Ta-Ki-Ta is 3, Thom is 2. Instead of giving pauses, we are filling with syllables. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom is similar as Ta-Ku-Thom. So now I will show Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. It's like this. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Here Ta-Ki-Ta is the same 3 and Thom is 2. This is Thom. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. In the higher speeds. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Tha-Thi-Ki-Na-Thom. Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. And Ta-Ki-Ta-Thom Kidatakatarikidadom. These are all the Pancha Jathis, and also the 10 aksharam extension of Kandam, the fingerings for this. So now we will discuss how to play this Pancha Jathis for Adi Talam, like 3 sets. Now I will show how to play Kanda Jathi for Adi Talam as I discussed earlier. Here we go. We will start from the Nadai for Sarvalagu, like this. Taka demi taka jono, taka demi taka jono, ta digena tom, ta digena tom, ta digena tom ta. This is Kanda Jathi, and next is Tishram. Taka demi taka jono, taka demi taka, ta digena tom, ta digena tom, ta digena tom ta. The next is Mishram, which is 21. Taka demi taka jono tang ta di gena tom ta di gena tom ta di tarigada tom ta. And next is Chathurasram, which is 3 8s, 24. Taka demi taka jono ta tom ta di gena tom ta tom ta di gena tom ta tom ta di gena tom ta. This next is Sankeerna Jathi, which is 9. 3 9s is 27, which is tam tang tat tom ta di gena tom tat tom ta di gena tom tat tom keda ta katari geda tom ta. And next is the extension of Kandam, which is 10 aksharam. Tak tom keda ta katari geda tom, or ta kita tam ta di gena tom ta kita tam ta di gena tom ta kita tam keda ta katari geda tom tam. Like this, we need to play all these Pancha Jathis for Adi Talam, and also the same way we need to play for other talams like Misra Chap or Kanda Chapu or Rupaka Talam or Dhruva Talam, Atta Talam, Matya Talam, any Talam. We need to play in the same principle. We need to calculate the total aksharams and what we are going to play, whether it is 3 Kandams or 3 Mishrams or 3 Chaturashram. We need to subtract the whole other aksharams with these 3 Kandams or Mishrams or Sankeernam, and the output will be showed with a Nadai, and then we need to take with this Pancha Jathis.